All right, my name is Ben Maston, and I'm the webmaster for fellowshipofcc.com. I'm here with Dr. Jerry Davis, who is going to be presenting October 1st at IPFW for a conference. So I just wanted to get a little information about who Dr. Davis is and let him share just a brief word about what he'll be doing on October 1st. So,
Okay.
Dr. Davis.
Well, thanks, Ben. It's good to meet you. I was asked by Fellowship of Christian Counselors to do a seminar on affect-focused therapy. I've been doing training for counselors for a long time. I ran the Masters of Counseling program at Indiana Wesleyan for 13 years. And the last 3 years have been back here at Huntington running a graduate program. And got degrees in Bible and Christian Ed and Masters and PhD in Counseling, PhD from Purdue. And I've always done private practice counseling along with my teaching. So I've been doing private practice counseling for about 28, 29 years. And I've been training counselors for about 17 years.
Okay.
So I love that combination of doing therapy and then also training students to do therapy. And we have a free clinic here at Huntington, and then I have a one-day-a-week private practice called Grace and Truth Counseling, where I see clients one day a week.
Okay. So October 1st, you're going to be combining both of your experience in teaching and in training.
Right.
And private counseling?
Right,
Okay.
exactly. So the idea behind the workshop is, over the past 3 years, I've been trying to study a lot more how to work with emotion, how to take clients deeper, and what results from that. And my experience has been that a lot of counselors are trained in a more cognitive behavioral model. They're not trained as well to work with emotion. And I've been pushing myself in that area to study some psychodynamic and some other affect-focused writers and practitioners so that I know better how to work with clients' emotion. And I've discovered that as I take clients deeper and I create these safe experiences with difficult emotions, that clients get this strength built into them and they start to be more confident, and they're actually just healing experiences. So what I hope to do in the conference is a couple things. One is I'm going to present a little bit of the research on why affect-focused therapy can be more effective to produce lasting changes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to work with the emotion of the counselors that are there, because I think one of the things that we need to be is more emotionally focused when we're working with clients. So what am I aware of as I'm sitting with this client? What feelings does this client pull from me? So we're going to do some emotional awareness activities together, which will kind of be fun. And then also talk about some other theories that are more affect focused that will help counselors take what they're using now but adapt it so they can work with emotion. And there's a lot of theories out there that they could pull from to try to bring more emotional work into their counseling. So that's kind of an overview of what I hope to get done.
Okay. And will that be mostly through lecture, or is it more of an audio-visual presentation, or is it more of a group session?
Well, since I'm doing most of a day, I'm going to split it up and try to have a lot of different modalities. Some of the stuff that they do to become emotionally aware will be experiential stuff that they do at little table groups.
Mm-hmm.
I've got some video of both clients but also of practitioners who are very good working with emotion. So we're going to show, I'll present a concept and then we'll show a video of a professional counselor using that, and then hopefully get them to talk about situations they're encountering. I'll probably use some case studies so they can read about a case study, talk in their groups about what to do with that. And then I'll also do some teaching along with that. So a good combination. I think I'll probably also show some movie clips, and we'll watch it together and try to talk about what emotion is here and how did we know that, to help them become more emotionally aware as well. So a lot of different combinations of things. The last hour they've asked me to do on the use of ethics, ethical decision making, on when to integrate like Judeo-Christian kinds of interventions. Mm-hmm. So like ethical principles for deciding maybe when to use prayer or scripture or healing prayer or things like that. They've asked me to do 1 hour on how to make ethical decisions of when to integrate with clients. That's going to be another part of the day.
Okay, great. Well, I want to thank you for just letting me get a little bit of information from you and a little introduction of you. The conference is October 1st. It is at IPFW in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Lunch will be included with the registration. And for more information, you can go to fellowshipofchristiancounselors.com, and you can also follow us on Twitter at fellowshipofcc.